Now, once you have got your wallet on Coinbase, you've got your exchange. Now what you need to do is you need to set up an account on a analysis tool. So in this instance, we are going to be using Coinigy because Coinigy is mainly the one I use and it's also got the best features, really. So when you sign up, you get a month free and then you have to pay for it. So what I do, because being the cheapskate I am, because I can't afford it, but I don't want to, is I just use a different email address each time. And then I can just get free month after month after month, okay? So you just simply need to sign up. So once you've signed up and verified your account and all that good stuff, then you come to this main interface. This is how it looks for the first time, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to use this tool for technical analysis later on. This will essentially show you all the data surrounding the cryptocurrency that's selected. And at this point, it's Groestel coin because this is the last thing I looked at. Now, I don't tend to use this area at all. So what I do is I just simply click this away and then it opens up the graph, okay? It opens up the price movements of a particular cryptocurrency. So really, it's up here that you would select the cryptocurrency you want to look at. So let's say I want to look at 10x, then I type in pay, because that is the 3-letter acronym used for pay. And then it will bring up all the exchanges that currently list pay. Now, I would use Bittrex in order to buy 10x or pay, and use the Bitcoin price. Okay, so this will display to you the Bitcoin price of 10x. So as you can see here, it's had some up and downs, and then recently it's had a nice price spike because the fork that was bringing down the Bitcoin fork, that was bringing down the price of all altcoins while Bitcoin was actually thriving, that was cancelled. So what happened is that actually price spiked most of the alts, and 10x was one of them. So this shows you the current price of pay, all right? And you can look at any cryptocurrency. So another cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. This shows you Binance, HitBTC, and Livecoin. Okay, so I'll go on Binance because that's one I use. I actually use Coin Exchange, but I'll use Binance for this. And this again shows you the price movement, okay? And then along here, you've got the tools that you can use basically to draw upon the graph. And then along here are some other features that you can add to the graph. Okay, so just to use this as an example, you can actually make trend lines right now. So if I just select a trend line, I can basically draw on the graph. Okay, and I can plot these lines essentially. But I'll take you more through these later. But these are what you can add to it. And then the pitchfork, you've got a range of different options here. One of the ones that you'll be using is the Fibonacci Retracement, which you can add from the lowest point to the highest point and see essentially where the dips are. Okay, so it goes down. So down here would be, right, the market's taken back 61% of the price. Okay, so when the price reaches here, that's a great entry point. So this is how you would use Fibonacci Retracement. Okay, so you simply just click on it, delete if you want to get rid of it. Then you've got the brush. This is where you can just draw all kinds of good stuff, whatever you want to draw. So if you want to draw, let's say, an M movement, so you've got an M movement right there. So that normally displays a bearish movement. Then you can add text to it. So you can just put whatever, hello, whatever, okay? And it adds it to there. So if you want to draw on the graph, you can. And then there are other tools here, but we'll go through these a little bit later. And then up here, you've basically got how you want the information displayed. So if we just go to it, you can display it in 1 minute to 1 month. And this essentially groups the candlesticks based on how you want the information displayed. So I would normally go 1 day, okay? And then this basically segments it into how it looks in 1 day candles, okay? But if you're wanting real short term, then you normally go 1 hour. And this will display it in much more kind of current way. And then up here, and this is what I'm going to go through with you later, you've got the indicators. And these are essentially tools that you can use to identify when is the best time to buy and sell. This is technical analysis. So you've now got set up on Coinbase, you've now got set up on Bittrex, and now you are set up with using Coinigy. So I hope that's helped, and I'll see you in the next section.